Hello students, today I am going to teach you one more rhymes. This is a very famous rhymes. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. So children, let's begin. Okay. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up stick. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hand. So children, do it one more time. Okay. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up stick. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hand. Thank you students. Students, practice these rhymes at home with the same action. I hope you are enjoying these rhymes.